Assalamualaikum. National Urdu Primary School, Standard 2nd. Subject English. Topic Let's speak. Listen, repeat and speak. On the playground. Teacher, come on children, let's go to the playground. Children, hooray teacher, we want to play Kho-Kho. Teacher, all right, as you wish. Children, let's play Kho-Kho and some other games too. Kho-Kho. Kho, Kho. Kho-Kho. Cricket. 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 Kabaddi. 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 Langdi. 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 Football. 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 Badminton. 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 Hockey. 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 Basketball. 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 Volleyball. 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 Thank you for watching.